Hey guys, I would like to wish every single one of you guys happy holidays. I really appreciate all the support you guys been giving to the channel. We're almost at 30,000 subscribers, and if it wasn't for you guys, we would not have done that. I am so excited for that. It's almost gonna be our 2nd-year anniversary with the channel. We've doubled in every category on YouTube, and that's awesome. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate all the new subscribers on the channel. We need a little bit more help, guys. And what I mean more help is I'm looking out for you guys. I know you guys, I hear you guys all the time in the comments. You guys want me to produce more and more of the short films and the little documentaries, the car documentaries, and I would love to. At this point, YouTube is not a full-time job for us. I would really love to transition to doing more YouTube documentary stuff, but I need a little more support. I need a bigger following. The best way you guys can help me is by spreading the word. Feel free, if you guys want to, when we post something on Instagram, feel free to repost it. We do not mind. All we ask is just give us credit for it. Another way you guys can do it too is just talk about it at car shows. When you're with car guys or car people, tell them, hey, have you watched this channel? Check it out. I'm pretty sure people will really like to watch the content that we put out there, and we will really appreciate it. But at the moment, I'm trying my best to output these documentary films because I know you guys love them. But it's really hard because it does take us about a whole day to shoot and probably 3 to 4 days to edit right. Really good content takes a lot of production time. Other than that, I made this quick video for you guys before the holidays came in. I'm gonna be away with family. So I had extra footage and I was like, what am I gonna do with this footage? This is really awesome footage. And the footage that I had was from All-Star Bash. When we shot the short film with the Nissan 240SX hatchback, with the KA24DT, we shot a lot of extra B-roll of other people drifting at, I believe it's balcony at Willow Springs. So I decided, hey, I need to make something with this footage because it's awesome. And this one's for you guys, for all the guys that like drifting. When I was making the first edit, I noticed I had music at first, and I was like, dude, like the audio of this car sound too good, like it's music to my ears. So I ditched the audio. That's why you see the episode says 2016 All-Star Bash, the sounds of drifting. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for all the support. I love you guys. Happy holidays. Be safe. I'll catch you next week. Peace.
Yeah.